they fight that, you say you want na 2 million. You see, and say business not the fair worker. That time, where the country be just get as if day, at least will be the sell. If a person be the sell 200,000 for a day, no say now. If you sell around 100,000 for a day, but you go holy one time, you ask it 3 million, 2 million. Igiam. The other brother comes say, my commander don't send me. Give me 200,000. He make all with the military people, the turn thief people for inside town. The military then to the run turn that they go, they say, I come up for this camp. My commander say, me, I can't take this. They work at the torment our own people. Then say, you want take man 1 million. One time for a day. Another man can take it 2 million. The person the work now waiting. You go next time, you go ask waiting. You make them for community. Where even the enemies, the one enter for can't kill you. All the civilians, they go the glass, say me they kill them. Who say they me they show the house. You get for live your life with people then for community. For a way where everybody get for like you. Everybody get for be his brother's keeper. So that should in case of anything, the enemy, the partner for who say you, he go shout or say no, I better shout me this pikin commot me a die. Which mommy to any mommy to must sacrifice for the pikin. But we turn the people for the community, they been a different kind of people for we. Why it get to be so? So we will give the commanders them, we will there for Ground Zero here. We don't send we send news for our people them for upward they support we for this struggle. For see how far if we move on with the struggle. The third then say we need money for stick, we need money for granite. But when you get 20 million, 10 million, we don't keep them for house. Now so you be enter you for the freedom fighter fight. Now so you want fight your own fight. Why you not take their money? You buy your sticks and your granite for free your people then where they bush people they the other side and where they hide. Why you not use that money? Buy stick for protect your people. And then you call your big people then I say you don't get small thing, you don't get the one now where if you say and say if you buy this. We say for Ground Zero here. More just talk say we no be get communication with people for others. Where they feel support we for this fight. We say we know for fight the fight. We know for the use our money then the beg for support for mommy then for village me they support we even at 200. Calculate say mommy they support you 200. The whole village. That money if you buy with one stick. If you buy with granite for fight our enemies. I beg all the commanders and the generals. Mo will stop them for make them meet our brother them. Scare away from we. We don't take this fight with the thief na thief. We harass our brothers and our sisters. We not correct. Last year, the very thing we die plenty because of harassment. This year, 2019, because of harassment. I don't she don't quiet. I say me, I talk something where it hurt me for the soldiers. When I don't turn at picking there for quarter. When I take pa put them for down beat and take mommy put them for down beat them. Now the work then that was supposed for work for this fight. I want to ask una the fighters. Una know say before una want enter this fight, people the day where they be start the fight. And if they be start the fight now for this way, I know say and say the fight for don't reach for this level. We don't make our papa or mommy then they don't turn black like them. You torment your brother them around you. You don't know say the highest God for this struggle. Not only your brother and your sister where they dey beside you. Where they don't sacrifice for stay for homeland. all the commanders and the generals, I read back una, me everybody wake up for sleep. You harass pastor, you harass a bishop, you harass you harass businessman, you harass your papa, any man you harass it. The people there, they give you the prayer, they pray for you. You forget for recognize our people. You go for inside church, you say me church support, you go for this side. The prayers the way the church they give you, you know correct. We the ground zero fighter. That's the question that they ask and so. Mommy the prayer, papa the prayer, picking the prayer. You see go hold and you put them for down, you beat them. Calculate how we no go do go war front, we go die. We dey make and so even the grandpapa the way they get something for their skin where they be support for give we. More go fight this fight. More even carry the our enemy then for our back, they fly with them. Our papa they hide the enter na inside bush. They no fit give you the rating. Pa go inside give you na something where you will go die. So that me he live a life fine. You don't disturb that papa them. Where they support for give we something for inside village. More use them. Someone will say for community, our papa the wicked, our mommy the wicked. Now so the fight supposed to be. I beg the commanders, the generals, who know how would live our lives, so that we will see boya all we. Because any man will say no go see boya, me I go see boya.